Now I was going to film this with my Meta glasses, but because I've done a little bit with them, the battery's flat, which is quite annoying. So I'd like a better battery in my Meta glasses, Ray-Ban or Meta or whoever's listening. That would be awesome. Then we could use them more often. Anyway, what I was going to say, which would have been a lot easier with two hands, is that I really like these. These, I mean, I don't know what, these are just the brand that I bought. There's plenty of these available now. And they vary massively in price and quality, obviously, but if you're not a professional, you don't have to go with the really expensive stuff. Like this is $500, then you've got to buy the battery and the charger, and if you don't have Milwaukee stuff, and I didn't at the time, you can get all sorts of things. But these come with a zero setting, which is great for what I do. And yeah, I love them. I didn't even think I wasn't confident that I would even use them, but they are something I carry with me everywhere. And I usually just come with the tools I need for the day, but these are always in the kit, just in case there's a lot of pruning or some thicker stuff that I'm fast approaching 50, and I've been pruning with these fellas for over 30 years. These are a bit of a godsend these days because everything's starting to ache a little bit. I need to lose a few pounds, but these are cool, and I'll turn you around and show you just how easy they are to use. Turns out I forgot to hit record just now. These Milwaukee pruners are pretty cool, and this would have been a lot easier with two hands, sorry, with Meta's, but Meta decided that my glasses aren't going to work today. So there we are. Look how good that is. But they even help with like all this big and little stuff. I'm going to do the whole of that. Just going to come straight over, cut it all back. These will go through most of this like it's nothing. This is dead. Nothing, see? And they'll even do tiny little cuts too. Like a knife through butter. I do recommend these for fatigue. They're quite heavy. Maybe downside. And there are lots of other versions available now, some cheaper, some more. But they are really, oh, this is a really dead bit, they are really, even that. I wonder if they're pretty good. Pretty sharp, they hold an edge. I never go anywhere without these. I generally pack the tools for the day that I need. But these are always in there. And with a really big gauge like that, you can get through some big stuff. So I really recommend, I've got nearly, I'd say 30 odd years of pruning, so this really does help my forearms as I get older. They're good. Like I said, this would be a lot easier if I had my Meta glasses on. I wasn't trying to do this with one hand, hold the phone. Oh, there's a nest. No birds in it. Yeah. So we'll crack on with that. Started all that. I need to have a bit of a tidy up too before I make too much mess. Yeah. Have a go at these.